Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Zoom password. So that's so easy to be done in a few minutes. Let's get dive in. So let's consider that I just created a Zoom account, and after that I felt that my password is not that strong, or I feel that my account can be used or can be stolen so nearly. Anyways, what I want you to do is to go into your web browser and then type zoom.us on the search bar, then sign in. I'm already signed in, so I just need to click on my account on the top right corner. Alright, and then go into your picture here, click on it, and then go through your profile. Alright, so uh, as you can see, there are too many options on the left side. What I want you to do is to click into my account and then go into profile, scroll down here until you see the sign in section, and here where you can change your password. For me, I signed up from my Gmail account, so I don't have the option to change my password. For you, if you just sign in with Zoom account in a normal way, without without the directly with the Gmail and Apple or Outlook, you will find the password option right here. Once you click on edit, you will be able to change your password. You just need to type your password and your new password. Anyways, guys, that's the video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your beloved ones. And thank you for watching.